So this time I have selected 1, 3, 4 and 7. See, 1, 3, 4, 7 as a tree. So now my tree is 1, 3, 4, 7. Therefore the core tree will be what? 2, 5, 6, 8. Now you just pick one of the chord element of the core tree, place it into the tree, you will get a loop. चलिए करके देखते हैं. सबसे पहली चीज chord 2 to be placed between this and this, first and second. Direction from first to second. Direction of the loop will be what? Direction of the loop will be this. Fine, because this is the direction of the chord. तो 2 के लिए 4 and -3, 4 -3. ठीक है, 4 and -3. You have this. Now I would like to place 5. 5 कहाँ place करेंगे? Between 3 and 4, like this. You can see from the graph is between 3 and 4, like this. Direction will be like this. This is 5th. So for 5, 7 and 4, I can write 4 or 7 either way. It's following. Okay, so what I'm doing exactly is I'm writing the F circuit equations. Now I've made enough of replicas. Now I will place 6th one. So 6th chord. Okay, let's place the 6th chord. The 6th chord is to be placed in between 5 and 4 with a direction like this. So I will have a big loop formed like this. So for 6, chord 6, I will have 7, 4, -3, -1. 7, 4, -3, -1. Okay, fine, it is possible. Then I have to place 8th one. 8th one is to be placed in between like this with direction from 3 to 5th, and the direction of the loop will be something like this. So it will be, this is 8, 1, 3, 4. So it seems that 8 is following 3, 1 is following, 4 is opposite, right? So I would like 8, 1 is following, 3 is following, but 4 is opposing it. I have to write it in this way. Right? So I now have all the circuit equations with me. The only thing I have to do is I have to make or formalize it in terms of a matrix. So for doing that, let me just utilize this piece of the paper. First of all, divide it into 2 halves, one for tree, another one for core tree. Fine. Then in tree, I have 1, 3, 4, and 7. In core tree, I have 2, 5, 6, and 8. So पहली F circuit equation is for chord 2. Chord 2 के लिए I have 2 present, rest all are absent. And edges कौन-कौन सी या branches कौन-कौन सी present हैं? 4 with positive sign, 3 with a negative sign, both are absent. 1 and 7 are absent. फिर 5 के लिए लिखते हैं. 5 is present, rest all are absent. 7 and 4 are present with a positive sign, 1 and 3 are absent. 6 के लिए लिखें. So 7 and 4 are present with a positive sign, 1 and 3 with a negative sign, no problem. 6 के लिए लिखी है. अब 8 के लिए लिख रहे हैं. 8 के लिए 1 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present with a negative sign. So again we have got a different BF matrix for the given graph with respect to a different tree. तो जितने trees available थे आपके पास, मैंने कहा you can have lot many trees, तो जितने trees possible हैं उतनी ही distinct या different तरीके की BF भी possible होंगी. You can try something else. किसी और tree से आप try करके देखिए और जो भी आपका आंसर है you can WhatsApp me. Fine. This is it. Now we will move on to another class of matrices, and I think this should be the last topic for this unit, which is called as a cut set matrix. So this is a cut set matrix. चलिए, कट सेट मैट्रिक्स शुरू करने से पहले अभी हम ये रिकॉल करते हैं कि हम एक्चुअली कितनी मैट्रिक्स पढ़ चुके हैं। तो कट सेट मैट्रिक्स पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले रिकॉल करते हैं। हम पढ़ चुके हैं इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स। इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स की एक रो हटाने के बाद आई ए मैट्रिक्स, और फिर उसकी एक सब मैट्रिक्स ऑफ साइज v-1/v-1। उसके बाद हमने पढ़ी कुछ सर्किट मैट्रिक्स आज। सबसे पहली सर्किट मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑल लूप्स, सर्किट मैट्रिक्स ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट लूप्स एंड सर्किट मैट्रिक्स कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग टू फंडामेंटल सर्किट इक्वेशंस। तो ये 6 अलग अलग तरीके की मैट्रिक्स आप पढ़ चुके हैं। अब हम कट सेट मैट्रिक्स पढ़ने वाले हैं। कट सेट मैट्रिक्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं Q से। तो अगर कट सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉसिबल कट सेट्स की मैट्रिक्स है तो इट विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय QA। अब कट सेट क्या होते हैं ये आपको मुझे दोबारा से दोहराना पड़ेगा, उसके लिए हम अगले पार्ट को यूज करेंगे।